Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back, like you see with me here, with another website. It's called Sellfy. So first thing, let me give you a short idea about it before we start. The Sellfy is an e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to sell digital products and subscription online. It provides a user-friendly interface and a range of features to create. So to use this website, simply head on over to Sellfy or Sellfy.com on Google or any other browser that you prefer. I searched about it on Google, like you see me here, and this is the results I got after my search. I have their page on Twitter and Captera, that mean a similar website. It's just like Sellfy, and the app on Google and some images for their logo. So we need the first website, the first site, that means the official site of Sellfy. Sell your products online hassle free. Let's click on it. This website is present to you 14 days free trial, and after that you need to pay it after to continue using it. And this is the home page or the interface of the website. They support around the clock for the customers and clients. We have some users and reviews. Okay, we will come back to this page later after I show you how to get started or how to create an account for the first time on Sellfy. You need just, let's start with the free trial. You need just to click over here or here, just one of them. And this is the information that we need to enter to complete other steps. The first name and the email, and need to choose a password that it's be easy to remember. So the second step is to answer this question and follow these steps here. Some questions, let's answer them. What would you like to call your store? Okay, you need to choose a name. Let's just keep this one, it's good. And the second question, what products do you intend to sell? We have some products here. We need just to choose one of them. The digital or the downloads stream, digital subscriptions, physical products or print on demand products. Okay, let's do just the most famous one on these websites. And for the third question, how would you categorize your store? We have some categories here. We need to select one of them. The art and crafts, beauty and health, clothing and accessories, education, finance, food. Okay, let's click on this one because I already do these projects in other websites. Do you have an audience? Okay, let's just click on no. If you have one, you will just choose one of them. It's independent on you. So let's start 14 days free trial. And for the digital product sales on this website, the Sellfy focuses on selling digital products such as ebooks, music, various software, graphics, courses, and other downloadable or digital contents. And users can upload their digital products to the platform and set the pricing, licensing, and other products details. And we will see all of this later. Okay, let's now complete and see what the dashboard contain. Okay, welcome to Sellfy. Verify your email address. You can just do the steps or skip them. We need now to verify our email address. Let's go to the email, and this one is here, and you need just to click on the green button over here to verify it successfully. So the checkout is complete. Let's back to Sellfy. So we complete the first step to verify our email address. Now the second step is to add the products that we want to sell. We already choose the accessories and those things, so you need to just sell what you choose. And then we have the customized the store. You need just to click over here to customize it with this way. You need to choose a store design like you want. It's will be like your profile, and you can edit all this store setting whenever you want and save them. And for change the language, you need just to select it from here. We have different languages that you can understand and work on it. Then if you want to enable the maintenance mode, you will just click over here or just cancel it. Now let's come back to see the other steps. For the Connex payments gateway, you need to click over here and enter the payment card informations. And you can just skip this step for 14 days because we try now the free trial, so you don't need to enter the payment setting just now. Okay, you can just wait for 14 days after you try this website and decide if you like it or not. And for the other step, we have the select the plan that we want to work on it, because we have on the plan different price to pay on the month and also different services that is present to us. Okay, let's see the plans that this Sellfy presents to us. We have the starter. We have $22 per month with the services over here, and we have the businesses with $59 per month with this services over here. It's up to 15 kilo in sales per year, and we have here up to 10 kilo dollars in sales per year. Okay, we have this service is different, of course, because the price is different. We have here 22 and here 59. For the premium, you have $119 per month and up to $200 in sales per year. So this is all the plans that this website is present to us. You can choose just the one that is make a solution for you. I hope you understand how to get started for the free trial on Sellfy. Please, if you like the video, subscribe for more and follow to see other videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites. Sell with good health until that time.